So what going, what going? Alright, I am at the Marriott Courtyard. My book, no, not my book. Actually, I'm in another book. The Rhode Island Bards Poetry Anthology for 2022. And yeah, them select my poem, You'll Be Okay. So I'm about to go read that. So I'm gonna make you know what go on. I just reach in from the place. Think me early. Because I'm not really officially start yet, but I will be reading. Too much noise in this at the moment. I will be reading, so stay tuned. Big respect, it's a pleasure, it's a joy. The people who select my poem, maximum respect, and all the wonderful people who've been supporting greatness. It's tremendous. Precisely. Great ways to get way. When I get the book yet, don't cry. Hold on. Sweetheart. Go get it from Amazon. Don't cry. See me? Blessings and respect.
Next, let's give a hand for Craig Kirkland.
Good evening. It's a pleasure to be here. This poem I'm about to do is called You Will Be Okay. And it's mostly for females who are going through hard times. You are remarkable. You are strong. You are one of God's greatest gifts. Follow Him and you will never go wrong. You are smart. You are noble. Pay keen ears to these words I told you. You see, the skies were overcast and then torrential rain for days. Throughout your darkest moments, you experienced pains for days. Cold and bitter, angry and confused. Be cautious with your steps before you make the wrong move. Are you feeling a bit empty right now, somewhat unsatisfied? Fret not, for God already sent angels to be your travel guide. You'll be okay, okay? Just know that God is real. After you overcome the sophisticated phase, it will be the strongest you ever feel. You are remarkable. You are sweet. Trample all hypocrites beneath your feet. Be patient and pray more. You will be okay. Forget about them who don't believe in you because you have no time to play. You are a fighter, a survivor. You resist to quit. You are a queen. You are a goddess. You deserve lifetime happiness. Precise. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Precise the Great. My book is available on Amazon. It's called Don't Cry.
Loved your poem. It was just full of so much energy and it was so alive and I just could really feel it.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.
I loved your poem and I love your voice, and you could read the phone book and I'd listen to it. It was great.
Thank you so very much. I really appreciate that.
Good luck.
So, take care.
Look me up.
Yes, I will.
It was very emotionally powerful. I definitely came to tears for that poem, and I think that's something that every woman should hear, and it shouldn't just be for women, it should be for little girls. Like, that is something that they should be growing up hearing that message throughout their entire life.
Thank you very much. What's your name?
Erica.
Erica. And you are?
Yuri.
Okay. I love your poem also.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have a good day, alright?
You too.
Yeah. Yeah, so it was really a phenomenal experience. I mean, being among strangers, reciting my poetry, and was warmly accepted. As I said before, I am in this other book, the Rhode Island Bards Poetry Anthology 2022. So big respect for selecting my poem. And I am here with another beautiful poet. Remind me your name again, please.
Well, I go by Panda, but
Panda.
Angela.
Hey, Panda, I'm so
Yeah.
tall. Is it me
No,
tall or
I know.
you're short?
I'm short. I got my heels on.
Yo, you see how far?
I got it in a second. You ready?
How are you doing? So, I like your poem.
Thank you. But see,
Whoa, whoa.
I get smaller.
See how far she at? So I'm down here right now. Yeah.
Okay.
So, I love your poem.
Thank you. I loved yours too.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, it was definitely hard hitting. So.
What do you love about it?
The fact that you try very hard to see things from a woman's perspective A lot of respect for that.
Big up to all female out there. Sizzle Stewart, big respect. Originally, you know, I wrote that poem for a friend of mine named Slizzy Stewart. Yeah. And a lot of women been, you know, connecting with that. So big respect to all women out there, and people, please do remember, go check the book out, Don't Cry, available on Amazon. And you have a book out already?
No, I don't. I just have this one.
So maximum respect, big respect, and thanks all you wonderful people for accepting my poem and for loving my poem. Big respect.
Okay, viewers, fans, friends, my family, them, subscribers, everybody, thanks so much for watching. Please do feel absolutely free to drop us your comment and be kind to leave a feedback. Yeah, comment, like, share, and tell others about it. And also remember to hit the notification bell if you want to be updated on what's new. Talking about what's new, go and go check out Amaziyah, the great collections. We have whole heap of merchandise. I'm going with a bag of things. Enough t-shirt designs, don't tell them precisely. Available on Teespring. Enough people are talking about it, but go and go look for yourselves. Links will be in the description below. We have tabs for females, males, babies, cups, phone cases, etc. Mr. Go and go look now. Follow Amaziyah, the great collection on IG, and like us on Facebook. If you haven't watched My Name is Pam before, features my sister Quality. Please do go and go watch it and share it as it relates to domestic abuse against women and a woman's struggle through it to independence. Also remember to check out Amaziyah, the great music on Amazon, Spotify, Tidal, Deezer, Google Play. It's everywhere.